In 1994, Pastor Titus Sithole, together with his wife Pastor Sibongile Sithole, founded Charity and Faith Mission Church. The church has now grown and has 13 other sister churches. 10 of those branches are in the Mamelodi areas only. Places like Mahube Valley, Extension 6 in Mamelodi, Nelmapias, Stoffel Park, Bophelong, and other areas. We also have a new branch in a place called Impumelelweni in KwaMhlanga. The other branch is in Katimamolelo, Namibia, whilst the other one is in Mozambique, Maputo. The church later gave birth to Bophelong Community Center. Over the years, a community-based impact partnership has been formed. Those living in informal settlements, the church donated shacks as temporary structures for them to have a place to live in. Four-room houses were built for the poor. The church extended some of the RDP or the free government houses so they can easily accommodate those larger families living in them. Some structures were incomplete for many years, but the church stepped in and completed them for those families who needed help. And to some, the church was able to build the wooden houses, which are the one that you're looking at this picture. In dealing with health issues, the church was able to conduct many clinics around Mamelodi and the surrounding areas. This was done in partnership with churches from other countries. It involves specialists and doctors from all over the world. One of our biggest partnership clinic was One Side Eye Clinic. Doctors and specialists from all over the world came together to help the people of Mamelodi and the surrounding areas. They were able to help over 22,000 patients in the period of 4 weeks. We also have a hospice that renders palliative care to all patients needing our services. We admit and take care of patients who are terminally ill, and our services are free of charge. We render voluntary counseling and testing services for all our patients, including general counseling services. We were also able to erect over 30 wheelchair ramps around the Mamelodi and the surrounding areas for those who are using wheelchairs and can't move easily around their yard. We also had a service where we gave away wheelchairs for those who need them. Some of those who are using the old wheelchairs were worn out, we gave them the new ones for free. In Bophelong Community Center, we do have a disabled home where we take care of kids who are born with disability. We also relieve the mothers who are working during the day, and we have 24-hour services for those who really need our services. We have the orphanage. Some of the newly opened facilities that we have are the old age home, and we also have the mental home. We still have some of the buildings which are still under construction. So if you want to partner with us or you want to donate or help us complete the buildings, you are most welcome. Regarding education, we do have a crèche, a primary and a high school at our facility. We also have a theological or pastoral training. We've helped build church buildings for other churches without collecting any money from them. We have also donated some money to other churches when they were busy building. And from time to time, we do donate hundreds and hundreds of chairs to different churches. A big tree fell on top of the roof of the Church of the Nazarene, destroying the roof and some of the walls. Charity and Faith Mission Church came in and rebuilt the church, put the roof back, and gave them some chairs without collecting money from them. As Charity and Faith Mission Church, we have also went in and around Mamelodi to renovate different kind of church buildings and make them look better. When there were violence of xenophobic attacks in Mamelodi in 2008, our church stepped in and reinstated back the victims, also giving them shacks to dwell in and also blankets, uniting them with the community. Previously, our church embarked on a campaign against the drugs and substance abuse in Mamelodi. We impacted the whole of Mamelodi, taking our campaigns to the streets, to the schools, and everywhere where there are young people. We regularly plant vegetable gardens and also give out food parcels to some of the community members who really need them. On the 27th of July 2013, we opened our new facility called Drop-In Baby Safe. This is after we realized that a lot of unwanted babies are being thrown away in the dumping areas and all over Mamelodi. Any mother from anywhere can come in here and hand in their baby without being identified. We'll take care of the baby and hand them over for adoption. So far, we were able to save over 20 baby lives since the opening of this facility. This is just a small introduction to a lot of community changing projects that we are involved in here at Charity and Faith Mission Church and Bophelong Community Center.